Hi, do you know unwanted weight gain, tiredness, lack of energy and drive, inability to sleep at night are all your body's unique sign language? They're actually signs of distress. Are you listening? Come follow along with me on this journey as I share how I learned to tune into my body's sign language and can help you tune into yours. Hi, this is part 2 of my journey of discovery, healing, and recovery. In part 1, I walked you through all the major milestones in my 2+ year ordeal to get back to walking normally. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. You can find that there in the link above. Here, in this video, I walk you through details of what my regimen was, from the alternatives to the nutritionals, and all the things I now incorporate in my regular routine. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. Hi, I'm Philippa, the Vitality Guru, and this is my story recounting my personal journey of discovery, healing, and recovery. Hard learned and fought through adversity. Some of the ideas you'll hear me say in this and some of my other videos goes against the conventional wisdom that you hear in the marketplace today. Some of these may even be considered to be radical ideas. But if I did not trust that there was a path of healing for me, I would never have discovered it. I trusted that there was a path to recovery for me. I now realize the gift of this experience. Not only can I help myself, but I can also help others struggling with a variety of health challenges. By helping you understand your body and your body's unique sign language and how to support it. We all live busy on-the-go lifestyles, and sometimes getting enough is a challenge. Each step was not a chance encounter. I tapped into the power of Mother Nature, not because I stumbled across it. I was led to it. I felt I was being directed and guided. So many issues that used to plague me are no longer a challenge, and I owe it all to this new regimen. Here's a list of all the issues that used to plague me that my regimen restored. Muscle contractions, which would sometimes include heart muscle contractions, no longer plague me. Calcium fixed that, as well as healed the fused bones. Sleep was also something that improved. Your body requires calcium to go into restful sleep. Without it, your body cannot go into restful sleep, and you'll wake up just as tired as you woke up the morning before. That no longer plagues me either. An underactive thyroid was something that I struggled with. Not anymore. Not only did iodine help break up my scar tissue, it fixed the issues of my underactive thyroid, and my hands are no longer cold, nor am I always cold. And I certainly have more energy now as well. Pain and inflammation. My recovery process was a long and painful process, and I was on some serious narcotics that are addictive, and I didn't want to be on them. Omega-3s are your body's natural painkiller and are anti-inflammatory. I took these to help manage my pain so I didn't have to fully depend on the painkillers. Omega-3s are also structural components of every single major organ in your body, including your brain. So when I started to lose my memory from the anesthesia, it was also something that helped to support my body, in addition to the herbal supplement. My PMS completely disappeared. None of the sensitivity, none of the bloating, none of the cramping, none of the irritability. That all disappeared with this regimen too. The common cold and flu that I used to get every year, which would morph into bronchitis, I no longer get. I now have a stronger immune system that's better able to defend itself. Antioxidants boost immunity and reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the contributing factors towards cancer. It also supports the repair and the renewal of your body. That's the power of your brightly colored fruits and vegetables. I now had a new healthy appreciation for the vegetables I didn't eat before. I now eat them now too. I now also have a very healthy digestive tract and have regular daily bowel movements. Did you know you're supposed to have a daily bowel movement? I didn't. All the weight that I had gained over this 2+ year ordeal, because I wasn't as active as I usually was, I lost. And I didn't lose it because I was dieting. I lost it because I was adopting a healthy lifestyle. And once I got back to being able to move around and being me, that weight disappeared. As a consequence of the accident and the surgery, I now have arthritis in my left knee. And it used to be my weather gauge. I would know it was going to rain when a cold front was coming, and if I was sitting down and not moving, I couldn't just stand up because my knee would be stiff and painful. I had to prime it first. Well, I no longer have to deal with those issues either. The glucosamine supplement Full Motion by Neolife dealt with that, and I had tried others before and they didn't work.
Here's my summary of the challenges that used to plague me. There were probably other challenges that disappeared, but these are the ones that I really noticed. And here's a list of my regimen. A link to this will be also found in the description below for my blog.
My awareness of my whole body has improved, and I'm now tuned into its unique sign language. I'm a new me, and I'm very grateful for this journey of discovery, healing, and recovery.
This is my go-forward routine that keeps me balanced and on track. And when I need something, I can always dive into my tool chest and find a solution, just like I did when I realized I was having problems with memory loss.
You may not have as many things to deal with as I did, so your approach may be a little simpler. But if you too have challenges that may be complex, there's a solution for you too. And yes, during this whole journey, my acupuncturist was there by my side. He leveraged his expertise to help bring nourishing blood flow and healing to the areas that were so in need of recovery and repair. We are still good friends to this day, and I have gone back to him to deal with my allergies. Yes, acupuncture can deal with that too. And for the challenges with my adrenals, when my adrenals started to shut down and stop producing cortisol. I referenced that in my video on stress management, so you can check that video out here too as well. If you believe in miracles, if you believe in healing, if you believe in restoration, then you are in the right place. No encounter was a chance encounter. You see, I still clearly remember the instance before my surgery where a friend came to pray with me. Not only did she come to pray with me, she brought her whole family, and all 8 of them held hands around me and prayed for me. They prayed for a successful surgery. They prayed for strength and healing. They prayed for God to guide the surgeon's hand and to be there with me through the surgery. I was truly terrified about my upcoming surgery because I knew there could have been serious consequences, as some never recover and wake up from surgery. I knew the chances were really low, but I was still terrified. And this family came in a show of strength and solidarity and prayed with me with pure, unabandoned, unconditional love that I still remember to this day. That experience was truly a deeply profound experience that I cannot explain. I truly believe this was really the start of my own spiritual journey. I didn't know it then, but I can recognize that now as I look back. And that was the beginning of the new journey, becoming the Vitality Guru. I didn't realize it then, nor understand just how uncommon my journey of healing truly was. Lives are shattered every day for various reasons, and some never recover. Will you take charge and protect your health and well-being?
Check out my 30-day challenge designed to jumpstart weight loss, boost liver and kidney function, improve immunity, as well as boost energy and vitality, or your money back. See the link in the description below. So my question to you is, what are you waiting for? Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you get notified when new videos are released. Don't forget to check out my 30-day Vitality Challenge. You just got to get started, and you grow with each step. To be clear, this is not a cure-all, nor can it completely reverse the aging process. Unfortunately, that is inevitable. but rather this is a supportive program for better, longer maintenance, optimal renewing and rebuilding of your body, which is an ongoing process. And yes, your body is constantly breaking down and rebuilding itself. Research tells us that the better we support our bodies, the more resilient it is, and both Harvard Health and the CDC affirm this on their website, as well as other reputable sites with peer-reviewed publications. Your age and your circumstances absolutely impact the rate of restoration. Your body, however, is able to restore and renew itself based on how well you support it and how early you take action.